Yes, let's put him outside. He was pushing on the door with his paws.
He's stupid.
Okay, well, let's try to put him
Come
outside.
here, bud.
He clearly wants to go. Ready, buddy? Uh-oh, we gotta make sure he doesn't run. There's a dog out there. I'm sure he wants to play with it. Frisco! What are you doing? Look. Oh, throwing snow on him. Sorry, bud.
It's not snowing anymore out there.
It's supposed to snow till midnight. Maybe it's taking a break. What are you doing, huh? You're so cute. Ah, it is cold. Oh, you little pussycat. You little pussycat. Look how cute you look, though.
Your turn.
Oh, great. Here we go. Here's Frosty Manoff. Come on, Frosty. I also got Frosty when it was snowing outside, and Frosty used to play in the snow, but not now. There is Frosty and Frisco, and they're off. They're off. They're off. Uh-oh. All right. I'll turn this off before the mayhem begins.